And kind of gatekeeping this product because I didn't want you guys to sell it out until I had one in my hands, and I do. This is the Ion Luxe adjustable deep waver. I don't know if there's anything else like this on the market, but let me tell you, you get like 4 different irons in one. You can do tight waves, you can do defined waves, you can do loose waves, you can do deep waves, tousled waves, all the waves. One damn tool. For all of you short hair girls, I know it's so hard to find a waver that you can use on your hair when it is this length. So the best part about this is you can start with the tight wave option and then move it to the tousled waves as you go up, so then you don't miss any of your hair. So let me show you. We're going to start with it on the lowest setting, so this makes the tightest wave. Just grab your hair, boop, just like that. Oh, it's so cute. Do the whole underneath section like that. Now this is where the magic happens. You take this, you turn it halfway. Now we have our next wave, which is your defined wave. So it brought the barrel up a little tiny bit. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So you can see it's like a little bit more defined. It's so easy and so fast, and this is on super low temp, so I'm not damaging my hair. For the next section, we're gonna do one more. So we're gonna pull, lift up for our loose waves. Let's do it. Oh. You guys. I really love the loose wave, like the third one. It's so cute. Last but certainly not least, the biggest one, and that is the tousled wave, and we'll do that for the entire top section. And that's the biggest one. You know I'm gonna love this one the most, and it's the last one I did because that's just, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wow. Oh, okay. Literally so much you could do with this, but tell me one other product that you can do 4 different waves in one at the turn of a button. That's my case. Run, don't walk, because now this is gonna sell out. I know it.